Hello, it's a really rather chilly Monday the 16th. It's 2 degrees this morning. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So Andrew Bailey's been on. He was speaking at the IMF's annual conference in Morocco, and he said the UK may be the only G7 economy with brighter prospects now than 12 months ago. He was less clear about why the MPC paused rate hikes last month though. There are plenty in the market who feel the MPC rather lost their nerve when facing the concerns that another rate hike could cause a recession by winter. But that's a trickier subject for him to address, and he only has the one single vote along with the other MPC members. Such concerns may be moot anyway. Last week's GDP data showed the economy grew by 0.2% in September, recovering from the 0.6% contraction in August. Jeremy Hunt was also on at the IMF conference. He said that the recent deterioration in public finances meant that borrowing will be 20 to 30 billion pounds higher than forecast. Where this will force him to make what he calls difficult decisions, many have taken this to mean that he will not cut taxes in his autumn statement. This week we have employment data that's due out tomorrow, where average earnings are expected to remain well above headline inflation. And then Wednesday we have inflation data which will confirm whether or not this is the case. Headline inflation is forecast down to 6.5%, and core inflation may even break through the 6% level and give the MPC comfort that rates are sufficiently restrictive for another pause. There really is everything to play for. Over in the US, Powell believes that the Fed should continue with rate hikes. He feels that rates should remain high until inflation has been well and truly beaten. And he fears that cutting rates prematurely would be a big risk to the US economy. However, now the Fed has paused, it may allow the economy space to grow or to start to grow close to its potential. But where the employment market is still so strong, wages only fell slightly over the last couple of months. Powell will want to see a more significant and sustained fall before calling the rate hike cycle as over. This week, the Middle East will remain the main focus and indeed drive volatility more than anything else. That's as the US is working behind the scenes to ensure that Israel considers restraint with the ground invasion of Gaza. The dollar has gained from the flight to safety trade. The dollar index rose to about 106.80 as sterling sold off to 121.20 against the dollar. We kick off the new week from around 121.65 against the dollar. We're about 115.55 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 105.30 on the open this morning. That's it from me. I hope things warm up for you. Do join me again tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.